Hello. So we saw how to make calendar, but was problem in the calendar that the time you are seeing here, like here is the AM PM. So in previous video it was showing 17, not AM PM. It was showing 24 hours format. So we have to change that. So what you have to do for that, here on the taskbar, right click here, go to adjust date and time, and as you go to adjust date and time, you will see an option in related links. If you have Windows 10, then you will get that option. So click left on language and region. After clicking left, go to administrative language setting, and you have to change the full format from here. So here whatever format you have, HHMM, after this you should get TT, and in the same way you have to do the same thing below, which will change the time format. After that, apply and click OK, and also change the regional format in the same way. After changing this, also your details will be updated, and also go to the option and check here, later. If not, then restart the PC and it will be updated. Now there are different types of calendar. We saw that type of calendar is based on assignment. As we made any calendar, but the way we are assigning it, like I have taken a project calendar or I am assigning a project to calendar, then that is project calendar. If I am assigning a project calendar, specific calendar for an activity, then it is activity calendar. And if I am assigning a calendar for resource, then it will be a resource calendar. So now we know how to assign a calendar for project. So for that, what you have to do is that whatever calendar we have made, I have to assign it for project. So what you have to do, go to project tab. After that, you will see project information option. You have to assign the calendar you made, but you have to remember one thing. When you click on options in the file, then the default start time in the schedule, that should be the same time in your project schedule, so that your project doesn't have any problem. This is compulsory, that your start time here this time and your calendar start time, so they should match. What I will do now is I will come there again for project start date. So here we have to put our start date. So whatever is your 7th July or whatever you want to give in the future date, so you can assign it here. So both will be same. After that, we have put the project start date. After that, you have to change the current date here, so you can change that. Status is not there yet, and I will select the calendar that you made. I made 9 hours calendar, so I will select that calendar and I will select it. So as I select it, we will see that what is priority and how to assign it. So I selected 9 hours calendar, and what I have to do now is I have to assign it. Click on OK. As soon as I click on OK, my project start as per start date. As you can see here, my start date is now on the timeline. In this way, you can assign the start date and end date of the project. According to that, you can assign the calendar. Now we will see how to assign the project calendar to our Gantt chart. First, we will see that here you can see Gantt chart. There are two parts in this. The left part is called task sheet, where you can enter the task and provide the details. And this right side part here, you can prepare your Gantt chart. So this way your Gantt chart is available here. But what I have to do now is I have assigned the whole calendar. Like mine was going to start from the 7th. So from there I have to do the same changes here. Like here I have to update my details. Here I have to show Saturday and Sunday, but the calendar that assigned here only on was Sunday off. So I have to update it like that. So what you have to do for that, simply right click on screen. After right click, you will see an option non-working time. Click on non-working time. As you click on non-working time, the time scale will open. In this time scale, you will see different options. So here you have to go to non-working time. As you click on non-working time, here you have to you can select the calendar options here. we have to simply select the 9 hours calendar. So you can see here my Sunday holiday is marked here, but here the first Saturday and the second Saturday is also marked. Now I have to change its color. So from here you can select any color you want. So you select one color, you can assign it so that it can be seen properly in your project. What you can do in this way for Gantt chart, your calendar you can assign it in this way. So it is simple step. Right click, then click on non-working time, go to non-working time, then select your calendar, which one is it, then apply color to it. So for Gantt chart, your calendar will be applied to it. You can see many options here like task sheet. You will see only task sheet, but if you click on Gantt chart, you will see Gantt chart on right and task sheet on left. Like task sheet, you will see resource sheet. You can edit the resource name or details here.